Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and today I'm here at the Grand Floridian Hotel and Spa. Yes, and I am going to do a little shopping, well, just some browsing at one of the most expensive shops here right behind me, and that would be right behind me, right over here. Curiouser and CLOTHIER. I'm going to take a look inside. I saw some nice 50th anniversary merchandise in there. Some of it's expensive, a few things that are not expensive. We're going to go check it out and look at these great displays here out in front, guys. For the 50th. Isn't that awesome? So come with me as we explore and do a little shopping here at the Grand Floridian. Come with me. So let's see what the shop has to offer, guys. Over here we have this Grand Floridian Resort and Spa t-shirt for $24. It's a nice t-shirt. Here we have this cool polo shirt. It has a GF on it for Grand Floridian. That's pretty cool. That's the Disney Parks design there. And down here we have a Grand Floridian baseball cap, a GF. And this GF baseball cap is $34.99. And the first thing I see on this side are these little tiny teacups. Aren't they cute? These ceramic teacups for $22.99. And it's got the GF on the side there. Grand Floridian right there. Cute little teacup. And we have a Grand Floridian triple teacup there. A 3-finger teacup. For $22.99. That's pretty cool. Grand Floridian. Here we have this blouse. $36.99. Grand Floridian Resort and Spa blouse. How cool is that? Another Disney Parks design. And we have a Beauty and the Beast blouse. That looks really cool. Should pick one up for Disney. We got it here for $39.99. That is really cool. Look at that, guys. Another GF polo, but in white. Oh, look at this bathrobe. This bathrobe has a GF on it for Grand Floridian. Look at that. It's so soft. Oh, could use a bathrobe like this. For $154.99. This bathrobe. Super soft, guys. Super soft. I'm going to search out Disney-oriented things here in the store. Right over here, guys, we have Disney times Lilly Pulitzer. This long sleeve zipper up front. How cool is that? We've got the castle and Mickey Mouse there. There's Mickey. Hey, Mickey. Cool pastels there, right? Oh, we have a matching purse there. Disney times Lilly Pulitzer. And this is $58, guys. Match your shirt. Over here we have a dress, the Lilly Pulitzer's dress. Same print for $158. It's a really cool print. We have Disney candles for the 50th anniversary, $29.99. In the back here we have the men's room, men's designs, and I think I see a Tommy Bahama, $125. These are regular Tommy Bahamas. And these Tommies are $148 for this one. Seen this before. That quilted. Another Tommy Bahama, $125. That's a nice print. Yeah, there we go. We have a Mickey Tommy Bahama. This is what I've been looking for. Look at Mickey there, hanging out in the pocket. $150. Long sleeve, nice linen. Oh, I love this. This is really cool. And it'll keep you cool too. Like pineapple guys, pineapple bathing suits. Tommy Bahama. Tommy Bahama. Oh, we have Javi Ionis flip-flops for the price of $34. Made in Brazil. And we got Pluto on the foot. And we got Mickey. Mickey on the other. Yoo-hoo, Mickey. Look at that. Awesome. Really cool flip-flops. And we have Mickey print Tommy Bahamas. Yes, my favorite. Disney Parks edition. Look at that. Mickey and Minnie. And this is $130. Really cool. And I don't know if you could tell here, but there's Mickey hidden there, really light in the print there. There's Mickey. And some flowers. And this Tommy Bahama shirt is $150. I like that. Another Tommy Bahama shirt. Mickey with a surfboard, hanging out by the palm tree. That's really cool. $130, guys. I like. Oh, here's a really cool Mickey Hawaiian shirt from Tommy Bahama. I like this. This is really cool. Very tropical. And this is $130. Ooh, and here we have a 50th polo shirt. And this will run you $69.99. That's really cool. We have the leather caps. These leather caps here are $49.99. And they are 50th inspired. We've seen quite a lot of this hoodie, this 50th. It is very soft. Looks very comfortable. And it's got that Walt Disney World right on the back. And this is gonna run you $149.99. So I asked the girl up front, these are $39.99. Look at that. Sparkles for the 50th. And we have a hoodie. Look at that. This hoodie is cotton, $74.99. $74.99 for this hoodie. This is really cool. It's medium weight. It's not too light and it's not too heavy. And right next to it is a t-shirt for the 50th, women's style. For $39.99, that's not too bad. This is a nice blouse for women. A lot of blouses and dresses from Lilly Pulitzer available here at the Grand Floridian. Another Lilly Pulitzer. And we have the deluxe jeweled or bejeweled headbands. $750. Look at that sparkle. Oh, and we have the $1,000 jeweled ear hat. Look at this. $1,000, friends. I think I could pick up a couple tonight. What do you think? Not really. But it is pretty cool. And for $225, the Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Lux logo Disney Loungefly leather headbands. And we've seen these Doonies before. These are pretty cute. This is $228. This bag is $298. It's got Walt Disney World and Disneyland logo on it. Look at that. Pretty cute. The purse is $168. And this bag down here is $298. Ooh, this large bag down here from Dooney & Bourke. It's pretty big. I haven't seen this large bag yet. This one is $428. I have not seen these black Dooney & Bourkes yet. We have Mickey Pops, ice cream pops, and Minnie, and a shoe. Disney World. We got a teacup. It's a pretty cool bag. $268, Dooney & Bourke. Down here, this bag with the same print, $328. Here we have a Kate Spade. Something a little different. $368 for this Kate Spade. And this Dooney, $318. Really cool print for the 50th. Very cool. And lastly, for you fanny pack fans, a Disney Parks fanny pack for $138. Welcome back to the 1990s. All the popular Disney characters here in this backpack. Look at this, for $198. Isn't that pretty cool? And this tote bag here, $298, same print. Pretty cool. Let's not forget about Tommy Bahama for women. This dress here with little Minnie Mouse logos on the side there. Pretty cool. This is $110, Tommy Bahama. This Tommy Bahama blouse with Minnie Mouse is $69.50. Thanks again, everyone, for joining me on this Disney Stranger shopping experience here at the Grand Floridian Hotel and Spa. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these videos. And remember, guys, always remember, please, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.